Ms. Heather from the Loveland Branch Library. Today we're going to talk about making our own stop-motion film, or stop-action film. The library has partnered with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative to bring you this activity that you can do at home. Stop-action or stop-motion films are made by taking individual photographs and putting them together. In between each photograph, the filmmaker moves the characters slightly so it looks like the characters are moving. An example of this is seen on this app. This is a stop-motion app on my device. At the bottom you can see individual photographs. In between each photograph, the filmmaker has moved the paper fish so that when the photographs are put together, it looks like the fish is moving or swimming. A simple example of this is a flip book. You may have made these at school or at home for fun. In a flip book, each picture reveals the character a little more or shows the character moving. This book shows a cat coming into view, and then the cat begins to wave. Now, before you start filming, you need to answer some questions. The first question you need to answer is, will you be moving drawings and photograph drawings, or will you be moving and photographing objects? What will your objects or drawings do? What will your plot or storyline be? It's important to write this down or ask someone else to write it down for you. You can talk to them and tell them about it and they can write it down. Or if you prefer, you can sketch out pictures of what's going to happen in your movie. And finally, will you use a background? And if so, what will your background be? Now, I looked around my house and found a bunch of different objects that I thought might be good characters in a film. A Marushka doll, a little ceramic tiger, found a Lego man that I taped to a horse, and I had to get creative for another character. I chose Melinda from Melinda's Hot Sauce to be the grown-up in my movie. And then I thought about what these different characters should do, and I wrote it down. After that, it was time to download the Stop Motion Studio app onto my phone. I used the free version of the app. There are other apps available, but that one worked well for me. So once you've thought about your plot, and you've gathered your characters together, and you've drawn or made your background, it's time to start filming. Hi, welcome to our performance of The Horse Ride. Nay! Nay! Whoa! What a ride! That was amazing! Hey, can I have a ride? Sure. Nay! Winnie! Wow! How awesome! Hey, can I have a ride? What? No! Wait, come back! Come back, I want a ride! Stop! Why won't horse give me a ride? You're too big! You're gonna squash horse! Oh, is that why? Well, this is just a costume. This is really me. Now I can ride. Yay! Good luck making your films. Maybe I'll see yours on the big screen. Take care.
This video was produced in partnership with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative. For more STEM activities, visit greatercincystem.org.